Know how to put a basket on, set yourself up on a Dieci Icarus 4017. So I'm presuming that you've hitched yourself up and that you put your 2 pins in each side and that you've put your hydraulic pipes in. Now you need to set your machine up. We'll just put this down on the ground for a second, which is the remote control. So we're going to start the machine. Make sure our basket is parallel. Then we'll put our legs down. So to put our legs down, we press this button, put a picture of legs on, and then we've got 2 buttons up here which put the 2 legs down. Let's give it some revs. Now we've got ourselves in the right position for the basket, we've levelled ourselves up, got our legs down, the basket's parallel, we switch the engine off. Now we need to sort out the basket. So at the moment we've got the connector in, which is for normal operation. If we haven't got this in, the machine won't work. So we unplug this one. Now we want to use it in basket mode, so we're using the lead from the basket to plug into the base machine. Make sure both are connected up, and we'll put that one in this rest park position. So that's that one connected. Now we go back to the cab. We were in pallet mode. Now we need to turn ourselves to basket mode. So remote control mode on, basket mode selected. Then we turn on our ignition, and you'll notice that no lights come up on the dash. And that's because we're controlling by remote control. If I switch the remote control back on, the dash will come up. So if he's in remote control mode, the dash isn't lit up. Okay. So now we're going to use the remote control, which we'll do from the basket. We open our door. On the back of our remote control unit we've got a pin. This is a safety pin. If this is not plugged into there, the basket won't operate from the basket. And we've got 2 emergency stops on this one on the remote control and one in there. Both of those obviously need to be up. On the side, on there somewhere, we have a little key switch, so we turn that on, and there you can see that the remote control is now setting itself up. Underneath we have a horn switch, which is also start. So we operate that one, which tells everybody that we're about to use our basket. We then have an engine start switch, which starts the engine. We then also have a choice of engine revs. So you've got 3 stages on your revs, which will control your speeds of your movements. You've also got a slow and a hare for your hydraulic speeds. Okay, so on our controls, we have down and up. We have in and we have out. And obviously we can't use crowd on this machine in basket mode because obviously we tip ourselves out, but if you were using this in pallet fork mode, then you would be able to use this on pallet fork mode. That one does nothing, and this one at the moment is moving our basket out full extension. So if you want to use it for doing your trilateral part of your basket, then you move these two over to there, and then our auxiliary lever then becomes trilateral. So we can go up alongside the machine, up against the wall. Let's go further than that. I don't want to send you to sleep. So extending the boom. It won't go out at full reach because we're limited by the restriction of the machine. Somebody's just come in with a van, so I'm not going to be able to go to full reach anyway. And I'm not going to full height either, because I hate heights. If you want it for light, you got the wrong person. There are some common mistakes. One of those is obviously if somebody switched it off on there, you jump in it, not aware of it, you turn it on. Okay, you get your auto tech come up. But then it goes blank and nothing works. So it's trying, but it can't do anything. Pull that stop button out, so let me do that again. Okay, now you're ready to go. Start the machine up. And we're off. So when you've finished and you want to move the machine, obviously you turn it off and you just do the reversal, which is to swap those plugs back again. Never got underneath a boom. Preferably you want to do that before turning, so you want to turn the ignition off, switch this back onto machine mode rather than remote mode, and turn that one back onto pallet forks, and then you'll be able to use the machine as normal. Thank you very much for the video.